Let's go.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little unboxing from blushmark.com. If you don't know, Blushmark is kind of like Shein, of course, but one thing I love about Blushmark is your clothes literally gets to you in like 3 days. That's how long it took me, not, you know, minus the Saturday and Sunday, but it got to me yesterday, and I made this order last week. That's not bad. That's not bad. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it because it's like 19 pieces of stuff and I don't want to kind of be on here long. So each item I'm gonna try to have a picture in here. If I can't have a picture in here, I'm gonna have the link below so you can see the picture, and I'm gonna have them labeled as I go. So this is Blushmark. This is from Blushmark. It comes in this really cute packaging. And this is a 2-piece set. Like basketball shorts made out of, I think, linen, like nylon and stuff like that. Polyester and nylon. No, rayon and polyester. So these are the pants. It has this really cute symbol on the bottom. It comes with the top. This is a crop top set. Now, of course, I may wear this after baby is here. I think it's really cute. On the website, it looked really cotton. It looked as if it was cotton instead of rayon, but like you never know what to expect anyway. So the next thing I got was this really cute hat. I took it out of the pack already because I took a picture in it. And it's white, and it's this really cute bucket hat. I got a couple bucket hats from Blushmark, which were really cheap and affordable. I think $3. And then I got this bucket hat. If you go to my IG, you'll see it. This really cute cow print bucket hat. I'm trying to have some space. I also got these pants. I had tried them on because sometimes when you get stuff from Blushmark, you never know if it's gonna fit, but baby, these fit. These almost a little too big, but not too big, if that makes any sense. I wear a size large, so I went up to an extra large because I read the reviews. But y'all, these pants are really long, and of course they have like the little tie in the front. They're cotton, and you can tie them up. You can wear them as low waist, high waist. They are joggers. They have the little scrunchy bottom with the zipper. The bottom scrunches and they have a zipper. And on the model, they look so cute. Even on me, they look really cute. And then I got this shirt, right? This Women Don't Owe You SHIT shirt. Spaghetti strap. And it's crossback. And it is so cute. This was really cheap too. I caught everything on a sale. As they were having a little sale. So that was really like $3 too. I got a pair of jeans. I don't know how my body is gonna be shaped after this baby, so therefore I got like an extra large in these jeans. They are stretchable, y'all. They are stretch material. One reason why I love these jeans is because they're cut out where the booty is, not exactly on the butt but above where the waist is. On the model, it looked really cute. They're also cut out in the front. Let me show you what I mean. They're cut out on the front, so you got to be bold. And I said that after baby, I'm going to definitely put these on. They're cut out on the back. So these are really cute cut out jeans. They're not high-waisted. They're not mids. They're just like a pair of jeans that I thought were really cute. And they had them on sale, I think, for $18. The original price was like 30 something. And that's not bad, so I can't wait to try it on. I'm gonna have a picture inserted. And this is the empty bag where the hat came in. Of course, I bought some socks. I'm not gonna show, you know what? That's a lie. I bought some really cute socks. They were $1.97. I love the little print on the side. As you can see, the little mad print on the side. It screams retro. That's the reason why I got them. Of course, I'm gonna be lounging in a lot of joggers being pregnant. So they had these really cute Rugrats joggers, these Chuckies. They have them in Reptar, they have them in Chucky, and then they have just the Rugrat sign. And they are joggers. They're cotton, they're stretchable. These are a size large. I didn't go up because I kind of knew these were going to be cotton. These are really cute. That's the empty bag it came in. I also got 2 dresses, 2 of the same dresses. They are knit, rib knit dresses. This is the one in blue. They stopped all the way down to like above behind your ankle. And it's really cute. It's basic. Of course, it has the cleavage cut out. And it's really form fitting. So here's another bucket hat. And this one just has like graffiti on it. 5-point star. No, I hate you. Don't waste your youth and young and that. You know, I can't cuss on here because, you know, kids watch my stuff. So this is the hat. The bucket hat. So cute. I'm gonna put it back in the bag because I don't want it to get dirty. White gets so dirty so easily. And these are another pair of those socks, but in black. I got it in white, black, and orange. And I got it in burnt orange. I'm wearing the orange ones with the Rugrats joggers, just to coordinate. So I also got this really cute cross body bag. It's in plastic. It comes in white and black, and it looks like a little Hershey's Kiss kind of thing. I'm pretty sure it can be. Okay, so the chain is, ooh, it stink when you open it. Smell like fish. Ooh. So this is the chain, and this is a cute little purse. So I just thought it would be cute to carry around a little clutch for my phone when I don't want to carry my big purse around until baby comes. I'll be carrying that because I just need it for my phone and my wallet. But other than that, I ain't carrying no diaper bag right now until after he gets here. So this is the other dress, and like I said, I got it in white, the rib knit dress with the boost out, and like I said, it stops behind the calf just below. It's long, it's very rib fitted. It looks really good on whether you're pregnant or not pregnant like me. This is another shirt I got from Blushmark. Really cute. It's a I call it a dressy shirt. I'm gonna have a picture up here because you're not gonna be able to see this. You are not gonna be able to see this, but I can give you an idea. This is the shirt. This is the sleeves. It's like the little fluff, the flare out shirt, and it's crop. It's really pretty on the model, so I hope it looks cute. I'm gonna pair this with those jeans with some really cute heels behind me after baby. Try to serve y'all some looks. I'm gonna keep buying from Blushmark because all their stuff is cute. Their shipping is fast, so fast. So this is another shirt I got. So this cross ties, I'm gonna put a picture up so y'all get an idea. This kind of cross ties like that so that it gives that bust look. I'm sorry about my kids in the background. So this gives it a little bust look. It cuffs the boobs. Of course, it's gonna show some cleavage. It's gonna show a whole lot of cleavage, but as you know, I'm a 38 double D. I had my boobs done months back, and I know this is gonna look really cute. I love the print. It's like I can't show y'all how I want to show y'all because y'all need a picture. Okay, so these are the other socks in orange. Also got this necklace, this really cute necklace. I'm gonna have a picture on the screen, hopefully. I got this necklace from there as well, and it is so cute. I've always wanted something like this, and it was really cheap. It was about $1. That's not bad. Now, I wouldn't recommend sleeping in this, but it's cute for a nice little outfit. It was hard putting it on with these long nails, but I did it. So there's this necklace. And also, let's move on to the next thing. Last but not least, I got another little outfit like the first one I showed you, the black one, except this one's in brown. And I think it's really cute. See? These are the bottoms, and it comes with this really cute rayon polyester brown crop top. Something simple to just pair with some nice sneakers. Something cute that you can pair with a nice pair of sneakers. I said pair twice. A pair of sneakers. Let me make sure that y'all can see me. Okay, I gotta sometimes put my skin back in because I can look whitewashed from this camera sometimes if you put certain items and colors in it. But yeah, this is gonna be cute. I'm going to continue to shop from Blushmark. I'm already purchasing more stuff because I didn't know this site existed until somebody told me about it. I was so stuck on Shein, and Shein takes a while for you to get your stuff, and I just don't have time for that. Whereas when you go to Blushmark, baby, you can actually really expedite that shipping, and it'll get to you in a couple of days. So I love that. I love the shipping. Customer service is great. They make sure they message you when stuff has shipped or in the process. I like that they keep you updated where you can go back and look. They'll automatically have like a shipping number or something tracking your order right when you purchase it. So I love that because I've seen some nice stretchy dresses that I'm gonna go back for too for this summer. As I'm gonna be in a bunch of dresses before I move back over to pants because I don't know what size I'm in anymore. I went from an 11 to now I think I am in a size 14 because my 11s don't fit anymore. They won't even go over my thighs and my butt. So I think I'm in a size 14. So I'm just leaving pants alone until after little man gets here. I am, I believe, 31 weeks pregnant. So I have a few weeks to go before he's here. I'm praying that he comes like in July and not August because I'm tired. But whenever he comes, I just pray that he's healthy. I will update you guys about this pregnancy because I feel like you need to know. And I haven't been able to because just a lot of things happening. It's not because I don't want to. It's just I'm tired. My pregnancy is still considered high risk. And this is my first boy. So I've been nesting. I've been doing a lot of that lately. I've been nesting and I've been just trying to focus on me. You know what I'm saying? Because I know when the baby gets here, I need to make sure that I'm still going to be focused on my son, but not lose myself in the midst. So it's like prepping myself for motherhood of a 4th child and then trying to deal with these crumb snatchers y'all here behind me. So other than that, this comes to the end of this video. I shall catch y'all in the next one, which hopefully may be another unboxing or a wig review. Either way, I am happy to be back for as long as I can. I will. A lot of people ask if I want to do a birth video. I think I may. I think I might, just depending on the hospital's policy, but I think I might sneak my camera in so that we could, you know, you can get a glimpse of Elijah's birth. I might hide it somewhere in the room and we may record Elijah's birth when it comes time for him to shoot on out. So until then, it's been fun. It's been real. I shall catch y'all in my next video. Bye.